Okay, my all dear students, let us get aware of all the important questions related to drama of ideas. The very first question is most important. That is why that I have put here. That is the very first is drama of ideas was popularized by. It was popularized by whom? By Henrik Ibsen. Okay. Second one is what kind of ideas, as the name is drama of ideas. So what kind of ideas we find in drama of ideas? So there are a variation of ideas. We can find here different kinds of ideas. For example, social ideas, political ideas, scientific ideas, and also industrial ideas. So it depends on your option. If you find all these kinds of ideas, then you can mark your option all of the above. Okay, so this is why that I have written here all the answers: social ideas, political ideas, scientific ideas, and also industrial ideas. Third one is drama of ideas is a free discussion. Okay, free discussion of all these different kinds of ideas. So all kinds of ideas, as in the second question you have been told what kind of ideas are discussed here freely. So what is, in another language you can be asked, what is a drama of ideas? So drama of ideas is a free discussion of all kinds of ideas. Fourth one is who were the chief exponents of drama of ideas? The very first was Henrik Ibsen, and then G.B. Shaw, John Galsworthy. Mainly the chief exponents Henrik Ibsen, G.B. Shaw, and John Galsworthy. Who wrote Mrs. Warren's Profession? Very important question. Who is the author of Mrs. Warren's Profession? It was a drama and it was written by George Bernard Shaw. Okay, G.B. Shaw wrote this drama. The next one is A Doll's House was published in which year? This drama was published by Henrik Ibsen. A Doll's House was written by Henrik Ibsen and it was published in 1879. Then seventh one is what is the aim of drama of ideas? What is the purpose of these kinds of drama? That we can say that or you can be asked that a dramatist, why he always selects these kinds of dramas, drama of ideas. So what is the aim? To educate people through entertainment. Both are the purpose of a dramatist related to these kinds of dramas, because he wanted to give a lesson, a message to his audiences or readers, and he also wants to please them through his entertainment. So both are the aim of a dramatist, to educate people through entertainment. The next one is Arms and the Men is an excellent drama, and it was written by whom? Arms and the Men. It was written by G.B. Shaw. Arms and the Men is an excellent drama of G.B. Shaw or George Bernard Shaw. There is little action but discussion. There is little action but discussion in what kind of drama? Drama of ideas. Ideas, because there is much more discussion in comparison of action. Or you can say that there is a lack of action. Arms and the Men is an example of drama of ideas. Arms and the Men, it was written by G.B. Shaw and it is an example of drama of ideas. Then another one is drama of ideas is known as problem play. Okay, and another name and another title or drama of ideas is also known as problem play, because a dramatist, he always puts all the problems of the contemporary society. The problems may be related to the society, politics, or that was also your educational problem, industrial problem, scientific problem. It depends on the dramatist that what kind of problem he is going to put in these kinds of dramas. This is why that drama of ideas is also known as problem play. Then 12th one is characters are engaged in lengthy discussions. Okay, again discussion because there is little action. So, there is a lengthy discussion, a free discussion completely on the different ideas. So, characters are, all the characters, they are engaged in lengthy discussion in what kind of drama? In drama of ideas. Contemporary problems and evils of the society are discussed in what kind of drama? Contemporary problems, okay, because drama of ideas is also known as problem play, and there is a free discussion on all kinds of topics. So, contemporary problems and evils of the society are discussed in drama of ideas. All these were important questions to be prepared.